Hello, my name is Kyle Wells.
And I'm Lauren Wells.
In the summer of 2022, we purchased this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's here in Orangevale, and it was a fixer in need of much love.
And after many hours of hard work and dedication, we are very excited to show you our finished product. One of our cosmetic changes that we wanted to make was more of a grand entrance, utilizing the French doors as well as a platform walk up into the house rather than a step in. Within our French doors, we tried to make more of a foyer, giving it more of an open feel as soon as you walk in. Rather than opening the door straight into the closet, now we have all this space to utilize.
Next, we tackled the kitchen. What once was a cramped galley kitchen is now a spacious, open concept area.
With removing the wall, repositioning the garage door, we now have space for a very large island. We have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and wood shaker custom cabinets.
Throughout the home, we opted for quality finishes. From the new LVP flooring to the fresh texture and paint, every detail was carefully selected.
The bathrooms received a complete makeover. Quartz vanities, matching tile floors, and shower walls elevated the space. In the master bath, we demolished it to the studs, changing the layout and creating a luxurious walk-in shower with a rain faucet.
The renovation didn't stop there. We replaced all the windows and added 3 new sliders. These sliding glass doors open up to a spacious backyard, brand new gazebo, and comfy living space.
Which is perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the fresh air.
Finally, we'd like to thank all the subcontractors and family members that helped us through this remodel project.
Especially my dad with all of his creative ideas and hard work.
Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. See you soon.